Making Thai curry crab. All right. Guys, here we got 3 Dungeness crabs, 3 live ones. You see, still moving and shit. We got some paratha, onion, chili peppers, green onions, celery, eggs, evaporated milk, some coconut milk, chili oil, fish sauce, soy sauce. Alright, let's get to it. So, I prepped my vegetables. Here I got some celery that I quartered. Okay, I peeled it and I quartered it. Some white onions, okay? Red chilies, green onions, alright? That's gonna be your flavor profile, alright? Forgot. We got some minced garlic there too, okay guys? The way you kill the crab, stab it right down the middle over here. Easier here. Oh, it's still alive though. This didn't work, guys. I'm just gonna here. Just oh my god. Die already. Holy smokes. Oh never mind, I got it. Okay, sorry guys. That took a little while. Okay. Scrape all the rolls off there. You want to keep all that roll, okay? Break it. Okay, break the crab like that. Break it into like pieces of this. Oh, that's all. I love that roll, man. You gotta keep that roll. And just break it into pieces like that. Okay, just like that, okay, guys. Yeah, just keep up. Juicy. All that roll in there. Okay guys, to a bowl, I have 3 eggs here, and then I'm gonna add the crab roll into it. Make sure you don't get the shit sack, okay guys? The shit sack is usually right up in the middle over here. Just get rid of your hand on the outside of it. Scrape all the goodness in there. That's gonna be part of your sauce after. Okay. Smokies crab have mad roll in it. Holy smokes. I'm gonna add chili oil. That's what I'm using. I'll say a whole bottle. For 2 crabs. Okay, put it up. Okay guys, so we have 2 pans here. We're gonna start frying up the rotis. One there, okay? Check on low, okay guys, or medium high, because you don't want it to burn pretty fast. See that nice color in there? That's what you want, right? Okay guys, so they're done when they're about this, okay, about this color, right down, okay? You can take them off the heat now. Boom. Okay, continue on guys, continue on. So you get to your desired amount. Okay, oh it's hot. Okay, then start frying, okay? You want to fry these crab up to, it's 90% cooked, okay? 90% cooked, guys. Yeah, open this. Okay guys, see now, I'm frying well to 9% cooked. Now I'm gonna take it off, okay? And then we're gonna make the sauce for it now. Alright guys, on to the next step. Guys, this part, we're gonna start making the sauce now. Sauce, okay? With the garlic. Okay, get that nice and brown. Now throw on all your veggies, okay? All the veggies in. turmeric goes in. Turmeric. About half a tablespoon, okay? Half a tablespoon. About a tablespoon of curry powder. Okay, tablespoon. Turn your heat down, you don't want it to burn. Spread it out, guys. Add just a little bit of water. Woo! I'm adding half a can of coconut milk. Half a can to start with. One can of evaporated milk. Okay, once it comes up to a boil, add your crab. All the crabs get coated in the sauce. And the crab roll. Okay? Add in there, guys. Add all in there. Ooh. Alright. Just let it cook for a bit. Here you go. You have it. This is your Thai curry crab, your finished product, okay? Now I'm gonna plate it. And juicy it. Here's the finished product. Thai curry crab, alright? Some roti. There you go. It's juicy.